Tesla Megapack site replacing Hawaii's last coal plant. Tesla has highlighted a Megapack project that went live in Hawaii earlier this year, which is effectively replacing the state's last coal plant. On Thursday, the Tesla Megapack account on X shared a video featuring interviews with employees and partners involved in Oahu's Kapolei energy storage KES system. The site, which went live earlier this year, features 158 Megapack 2XL units for 185 megawatts 565 megawatt hours. And Tesla Residential Energy Director Colby Hastings says it's roughly the equivalent of the nearby coal plant that was retired. The battery energy storage system BESS is being operated in partnership with Plus Power, and the project has been considered a success in helping to stabilize the grid in preparation for Hawaii's upcoming climate goals. Nearby Chairman Anthony Makina says that the BESS project allowed for the sunsetting of one of the dirtiest polluters in our community, referring to the coal plant. The site also comes ahead of Hawaiian Electric's goal of reaching 100% renewable energy by 2045. The features multiple short interview moments, including a few words from Plus Power CEO Brandon Keefe, who notes that the renewable provider first started working on the project in 2018. You can watch the full video below. Megapacks at KES are supporting the replacement of Hawaii's last coal plant and proving the grid-forming technology that is critical to stabilizing the grid. The Oahu KES site first went operational in January, and Tesla Senior VP of Powertrain and Energy Engineering, Drew Baglino, visited the BESS to celebrate its commercial operation date COD, stopped by to congratulate the local team on the successful COD of the 185 megawatts Hawaiian Electric Tesla Megapack installation on Oahu today. Baglino wrote in a post on X, "The final shipment of coal to the Oahu coal plant took place in September 2022, as was highlighted in a post from Tesla CEO Elon Musk." The video also comes as the latest of Tesla's efforts to create educational advertising material it shares on its various social media platforms. Although much of the company's advertising team was reportedly affected by widespread layoffs in April, Tesla has continued to roll out educational ads both for its energy products and its electric vehicles (EVs). Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.